Okay, go.
Okay, we are disassembling my door. We found mouse evidence, and we've been smelling this nasty, rancid, dead animal smell for about 2 weeks now. We can't find it anywhere. We found a nest on Saturday. We found poop 2 days before that. And the smell started like 2 weeks ago. And it's gotten progressively worse. So we're pretty sure it's in the door. I mean, by pretty sure, I mean we just think because...
Shouldn't we start with the prying?
Oh, because we had to, we think it's in here because we can't figure out where else it could be, and it smells when I open the door the most. So it's unlikely, but it's highly possible. So first we had to pry using a little pick. We had to pry this little pad out, and we had to pry this little piece out here. And now we're using a hex wrench, 10 millimeter. Right, this is a hex wrench.
Yep.
Okay, and now we're gonna get this off. These are the only 2 bolts holding my poor little door on. So, I don't, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Is it getting tighter or not tighter?
I don't know. Should be getting looser, but it feels like it's getting tighter.
Then go the other way. Do you know how to switch that?
No, I don't know how to use these.
You flip this.
Oh yeah, you tried to tell me that once. I don't listen. This is out of Steven's trusty piece of garbage kit.
Come on now.
Okay. I don't know how to work this thing. It's not turning anymore.
BRB. Now she's doing the other one. First time using a socket wrench
I don't
here.
think this is right.
Are you tightening it?
I don't know. Why is it not lefty-loosey? That's the rule. Do you switch it back?
I don't think so.
I'm all about the real wrenches, not this weird thing.
Well, how are you going to get the real one in that spot?
I don't know. Don't ask questions. Oh, that's now getting tighter. Okay.
Well, yeah, it should have been on the right way.
Now we're manual mode, because that's how I roll. Okay.
Boom.
Boom.
Got it out.
Zipper pouch. Okay. Okay, we're inserting this nylon pick bought at Harbor Freight, recommended to us. So we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna kind of shove it in where it, there's the pin, and then you just go like this, and you pop it off. And it was already popped off. So we had to backtrack a little. Is it popped off on this side though?
No.
So we gotta do this side too? Oh, there's the pin.
Okay, well, it might help if you were looking at the door.
Okay, so
Right.
this is the second pin that we're gonna pop off. Maybe.
Go.
Wait!
Go here.
I can't, then I'm pushing the door towards me. And then it's
Oh, well.
body pressure here, you know?
No, don't.
I'm gonna break it. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow, yeah. Can you just pull it off yet?
Well, he said it's a vertical, you gotta pull up.
Nope, you just pull straight out. I'll hold the door. Yeah, you gotta get some here. Stick it in further.
Are you holding the door?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're almost.
You got one more up here.
No, I don't. Where?
Up here.
Yeah. Are you still videoing right now?
Yeah.
He only showed one in the video.
Oh yeah, those things are moving.
How do I know if it's off or not?
Yeah, pull this. Here we go. Manhandled it off.
Well, where is it? The headlamp.
You can't really see like behind in here though.
I know, but I'm looking for like to see. Oh, I guess that was just maybe like jelly or something. But that's definitely room for a
Some grease.
something to crawl through. Maybe
I don't see any
we're not
signs
smelling
of
anything in here, but we think if it was close, we'd just smell it. You know. Here, I'll hold the door, and you come smell the speaker. Are you on?
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me? So we disassembled the door. Much to our dismay, there is no mouse in there. So it gets a lot more complicated than this because it's probably in the engine compartment or in the dash. So we might have a big car bill coming up here. Lucky us. AKA lucky me. Okay, thanks for viewing.
You're not gonna put it back on?
Oh, well, I don't know how to put it. Are we ready to put it back on?
Well, I think we determined it's not in here, right?
Yeah, we don't see any evidence of a mouse at all. Like, nothing's chewed. There's nothing furry.
Yep. So to put it back on, you just line it up and snap it in. Oh, that thing fell off.
What thing? What thing?
Car.
Wait, you gotta.
What?
You gotta hold it so it clicks.
You turn that light on above you. This your thing?
Is that the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. You change directions.
Yeah, you told me to.
No, I just asked if it was the right way. If you change directions, now you're loosening it, yeah?
No, because I said righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and that was the wrong thing.
Yeah, now if you go that way, that's taking it out.